Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set spending limit on Instagram ads. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Go to your profile and make sure you are using a professional account. This is where you can change the spending limit. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines to access the menu. From there, tap on Orders and Payments and then navigate to the Payment Methods section. Once you're in the Payment Methods section, note that the options available may vary depending on the payment method you have added. Some payment methods may not offer the spending limit feature. If you don't see the option to adjust your limit, you can go to Help and Support. From there, search for Limit and look through the list of options. Find the one related to Spending Limit. If you prefer to keep a spending limit, that is entirely up to you. If you want to completely remove the spending limit, go to the Account Center and then to MetaPay. From there, navigate to Payment Methods. To remove the limit, simply choose the payment method for which you want to remove the spending limit. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.